Very good morning to you all. How's everyone doing? This morning's interactive session, or this morning's program, is all about a set of determined entrepreneurs. And that is why we are here today. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, so here we started with 50 entrepreneurs, startups. We had the final 25, which we engaged in a workshop sometime in March. And out of the 25 came the 10 finalists. Today, we have 9 of them who are going to be pitching or demonstrating their business readiness to us. So the first one, the baby of them all, Toffic, and he is representing Green Africa.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Toffic Gazali, and I'm honored to be here today. My grandmother I was living with, she was a trader, so she sends me to the market to get stuff for her. So one time I came back, I was sweating all over, and then I was tired. So I decided to engage her. So I was like, Grandma, why is it that these days the temperature is so high that it's so unbearable out there? And she told me, grandson, the rate at which your generation is sinning is so hilarious, and that's why God is punishing you that way. So for a while we all laughed, but it kept plaguing my thoughts. My grandma this time, they had little knowledge about climate, yet they were able to preserve it, or they were able to preserve the environment for my generation. And yet, my generation, we have the sciences, we have the geographers, we have we have everything we need just to sustain the environment. Yet, we are even struggling to do it for ourselves. It sparked my interest. I started researching about climate change and all that. And that is why I'm here today, to present to you Green Africa. I took it upon myself, to bring something on board. It wasn't anything, it wasn't a discovery, it wasn't any revolutionization of anything. It was just me trying to revive the bicycle life, trying to shift our attention to energy renewable sources. So then we introduced rentals of bicycles so that they drive car less and they're able to reduce their carbon footprint. And part of our core mandate, as I said, is to reduce the climate impact on our environment. When we started, prior to this 12 weeks program, I literally knew nothing. I was just renting out stuff without being able to track anything. But when I took this program, I was able to do my market research. I was able to validate that people are actually there willing to pay for my services. In 6 months, we were able to get about 800 plus users on my platform, and we were also able to complete delivery services, about 500 of them. And within these 6 months, even though I'm still in school, it's still difficult. We were able to raise 7,000